Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Craigslist account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Craigslist account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Craigslist login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. Enter your email address or handle username and password associated with your Craigslist account and click on Login. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot your password. This is how you can log into your Craigslist account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.